In this video, let me show you how to get the Claude Fable 5 using GitLab free trial, which even use all the models for 30 days. Here you can see we have the Claude Fable 5, and along with it, we have all the Claude models over here. You can see that we have the Claude Opus 4.7, we have the Opus 4.8, and we have the Gemini models as well. So let me show you how to get this Claude Fable 5. Here you can see this is the GitLab website, so make sure you head out to this website, and you have your option called the get free trial. So if you don't have your account, you can register for your account, but I have already have your account. So what I will do is I will log in using my credentials. Once you have login, the dashboard will look like this. Here you can see here we have your option. We can start our 30-day free trial. It is provided with a GitLab Duo agent platform. So first we need to get the free trial. So click on start free trial. So it will redirect to this page. So where you need to select your country. So let me select my country. Then click on activate my trial. And we need to provide our mobile number over here as well. You consider click on verify my account. So this is to you consider we need to enter the mobile number. Let me select the country and let me enter the mobile number and verify my mobile number now. Now I have successfully completed the mobile number verification. Here you can see now the free trial has been successfully activated, GitLab Duo, and we have all the models over here. Consider we have the Claude Haiku 4.5 and we have the Claude Sonnet models and we have the Claude Opus models as well. And you can say Opus 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, and we have the Opus 5 as well. And here this is the model that we want, right? Claude Fable 5. And below that we have many models. So let me select Claude Fable 5 and yeah, let me give you a prompt now. So create a Flappy Bird game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript only with all game features. So you can see here I have gave this prompt. So it will think for a while. And if you see the subscription, currently we are on the ultimate trial version. Here you can see it starts writing the code now. It's generating the HTML file over here. So just give you a few minutes it will take. Now you can see that it has successfully generated the file over here. You can see here we have this HTML file. What I will do is I will copy this and or you can also directly ask the Claude Fable file to create a repository and post a code. Here you can say create a repo and push the code into the repository. So while it is generating, so what I will do is I will save this file manually now and let me show you the output of this Flappy Bird game. So let me paste the code over here and let me save this now. So the file name should be index.html. So let me go to the file path that I have saved the file. Here you can see this is the bird game that the Claude Fable has generated. Let me click on start game now. So it's cool, right? It's very similar to the Flappy Bird game. It also has the sound effects as well. So now game over. So let me click on play again. So game over. So let me close now. The game is pretty good. Here you can see it is asking. So we'll have to manually create a project. So we have to create a repository manually. Then we can ask this AI agent to push the code. So what I will do is I will create a new project now. So here in GitLab, you will call the repositories as projects. So let me give you a name for my project. In this case, I'm gonna give Flappy Bird game and let me select the group as well. So this is my group that I have here. And the visibility level, let's leave it as private for now and click on create project. So now we can say, so for this small intermediate levels, you don't need to use the advanced models. So what I will do is I will choose the different model because this is a small task, right? You don't have to use the high costing models for this simple task. So let me change the model, do something else. So I'm gonna select Claude Haiku 4.5 over here. Let me give this prompt now. So while it is generating, if you want to see the free trial information, here you can see on the right hand side we have a option called learn more. So let me open this new tab. Here you can see currently we are on the 30 days free trial. So you can use the models for 30 days with this free trial provided by the GitLab. And below that, you will have all the information about the GitLab Duo agent platform. So let me close this now. And if you want to upgrade, you can also upgrade anytime. Here you can see now it has push all the files over here to this repository over here. And we have the index.html file as well as the readme.md file. So what I will do is let's try to create another game now. So let me paste the model back to the Claude Fable 5. So this time I'm gonna create another game called a snake game. So same way I'm gonna ask create a snake game using HTML, CSS, JavaScript with all the game features. So this is my prompt as of now. You can see now it is thinking. So what I will do is it is directly committing to the repository. So I hope we have the code overshared directly to the repository. So let me click on approve now. Now you can say it has successfully write the code for us. So let me go back to the repository now and let me change the branch to add snake game. It has created a new branch for us, and inside this snake folder we have all the files over here. You can say we have these 3 files. So what I will do is I will download this now. So let me click on port. I'm gonna download this as a zip file. So let me click on download as zip and I'm gonna save it now. So this is the snake folder only we want. So what I will do is I will copy and paste all the 3 files in a separate folder. Here you can see we have this in this HTML file. Let me open this now. Here you can see this is the snake game that it has generated. So this snake game also pretty good, right? It also has the sound effects as well. See how cool it is. With just a single prompt, you created this whole game with all these QA animations and the sound effects. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can share. We also have the star here to get the more points. So you can use the Claude models or the GitLab free trial period. So this is for this video. You consider currently we have 30 days free trial. I hope in the future also they will provide this 30 days free trial as well. So this is for this video and they will continue in the next one.